Hi there, welcome, and thank you for joining me for my stay at Park MGM, Las Vegas. I love staying at Park MGM. It doesn't have that big, cold corporate vibe. It's more like a classy boutique resort. And it's the only eco-friendly and smoke-free resort on the Las Vegas Strip. Park MGM is the home of the Dolby Live Theater, which has hosted residencies to Bruno Mars, Maroon 5, Aerosmith, and Lady Gaga. It is also home to the House of Gaga, an ever-changing experience featuring Lady Gaga's most iconic fashion pieces from her personal vault. Entry to the exhibit is free and hours are from 12 p.m. until 6 p.m. Friday through Sunday only.
Okay.
On the record is a speakeasy/nightclub featuring both indoor and outdoor spaces, providing ample space for dancing or relaxing with friends. Park has some amazing dining options, including the new chef truck, inspired by the 2014 film Chef. Most of the short takeout menu is inspired by the film, including those perfect grilled cheese and Cubano sandwiches. And Lala Noodle, featuring crazy delicious noodles from lo mein and Singapore style to delicious don don noodles. You can get a reward for a free appetizer at Lala Noodle by playing myVegas slots. And Best Friend by Chef Roy Choi. Behind this mock-up bodega is a lavish restaurant that features music with resident DJs. It features a Korean-Mexican fusion menu created by notable Los Angeles chef Roy Choi. You can also get a reward for a free appetizer at Best Friend on myVegas slots. And then there is Eataly. Not a food hall, but a fun food experience. Eataly is comprised of 2 restaurants, a variety of food stalls, and a gourmet marketplace. For table service options, there is La Pizza and La Pasta, offering a variety of pasta dishes and Neapolitan pizza that is cooked in golden wood-burning ovens. And for a more upscale setting, there is Toscana Restaurant and Bar, offering authentic regional cuisine, elevated cocktails, and an award-winning selection of Italian wines. The offerings at Eataly are made fresh daily in-house, and they are delicious. The pasta is made fresh in-house right before your eyes. Their mozzarella is made fresh in-house every day. Eataly is also a great place for grab-and-go breakfast options. Oh, and they have these grab-and-go sandwiches with the house-made focaccia bread. At the time of this recording, I was becoming very hungry, so I ordered a sandwich to go to scarf down in my room. The sandwich was simply fresh-baked focaccia bread, ham, lettuce, and mayonnaise, and it was simply delicious. The portion was also very nice. It was definitely shareable. The pool area at Park MGM is such a great place to relax and chill out. The pool area consists of 3 pools, 2 bars, and a hot tub. And the East Pool and Bar area is for adults only. Wonderful! The East Pool Bar has patio seating and features signature and frozen cocktails. 2 things I really like about the pool at Park MGM is that the sound system is just perfect and the drink service is spot on. And the umbrellas are complimentary and free to use. Near the North Pool is where you'll find the Veranda Bar. In addition to cocktails, the Veranda Bar offers light meals and snacks, and buckets of beer. The location of the hot tub is in the South Pool area. There are also cabanas and day beds available to add a little luxury to your perfect day. My check-in experience at Park MGM was nothing less than fabulous. I redeemed a free room on myVegas slots, and then at check-in, I upgraded to a stay well room with a strip view. And complimentary early check-in. So then I left the appropriate gratuity. This giant art installation across the ceiling of Park MGM was created by Brazilian artist Henrique Oliveira. To get to the floor where the staywell rooms were located, I had to use the Nomad elevator bank. If you haven't already heard, Nomad is pulling out of Park MGM. It's kind of confusing having 2 brands in the same tower anyway. I know a lot of people love Nomad. To me, it just seems kind of old, classic, rustic, dingy, pompous, not very Vegas-y. Anyhow, it will be interesting to see what will become of these spaces. So this room is a staywell room with a strip view on the 23rd floor. First thing I noticed on the staywell level, the hallways were a lot brighter and nicer looking. The Staywell King Room measures up at 406 square feet, the exact same size as the standard King Room. But it has some added health amenities that include an air purification system, warm white light, a special memory foam mattress, a mood-boosting aromatherapy set, and a vitamin C shower infuser. Plus night lighting to minimize sleep disruption, and a dawn simulator. Wow. Plus pictures of people having fun at the pool. There is a clock, a radio, and plenty of power outlets. The TV is a 50-inch LED and comes with additional power and connecting ports. Located right below. There's also a sensor tray with snacks and Fiji water. Don't touch those. Instead of an overcrowded closet in the hallway, the staywell room comes with an armoire in the main room. It's a more efficient use of space as compared to the standard king. This is the view from the window at night. Now there are strip views and then there are strip views. This one would be one of the former. The safe was embedded right in the wall of the entry space. This was another efficient use of the space. The bathroom was clean and bright, but it was very small and tight, a single sink with barely enough counter space. I was delighted to find out that the room came with a shower tub combo. And the toilet had its own little section. Oh, and there's one more thing I wanted to mention. There's a free tram that provides service from Park MGM to the shops at Crystals and Bellagio. It's called the Aria Express. If you'd like to know more about the Aria Express, check out the video I made. I put a link in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to support this content, you can hit the Super Thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Tap one of those boxes up there to get more fabulous Las Vegas content. And tap that center icon to subscribe, and you will receive notifications on future videos.